Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
As of yesterday, I have the numbers. Kalangut has enrolled only 174 active members. Now that is not sufficient. How many booths do you have? I think you have 38 or 39 booths. If I have 174 active members, I can only find 5 active members per booth. How can you run an election with 5 active members per booth? Which is why I'm impressing upon the block president, Mr. Benedict D'Souza, and all other leading congressmen and women of this constituency, please increase the identification and enrollment of active members.
गोयच्या बारीक लोकांक सांभाळून गोय साल्वार करूंक काँग्रेसूच पक्ष सोडून गेल्यात ते तांच्या स्वार्थाक.
लक्षात दवरा, ह्या खेपेक ओन्ली ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह, ओन्ली पर्याय जर गोय सांभाळून दवरपा जाय, बारीक मनशांक जर दवरपा जाय, उबो दवरपा जाय आणि गोयच्या बारीक लोकांचो आवाज जावपाक जाय जाल्यार एकच पक्ष, तो म्हणजे काँग्रेस पक्ष. काँग्रेस पक्षाक सपोर्ट दिया आणि सरकार
जे कोण बीजेपी वताय वचो सोदताय ताका हांव फकत शिटकावणी दिता. तुमगे परिस्थिती जो आज 10 जांक गेल्ले ते लोक म्हणटाय 10 जांक गेल्ले म्हण, आज तेंगे परिस्थिती जो ते टिकेट मेळटा जाल्यार पंचे the grudge of the people. There are more than 60% of the people who have not decided whom to vote because of all these 10 fellows. But party is not at fault. Party सांगलो ना तेंका वचून ते गेले आपल्याक स्वार्था लावून गेले.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.